I am making a beef taco skillet from the Campbell's Cookbook. It's pretty simple. Right now I'm actually doing a double batch, so I am browning 2 pounds of beef. You add 2 cans of tomato soup. Like I said, I'm doubling. And 2 cups of salsa. 1 cup of water. 16 of the corn tortillas cut up in little squares. This size right here. And what else? And 1 cup shredded cheese. Well, 2 cups because I'm doing a double batch. So it's actually pretty simple. 1 pound of ground beef, 1 can of tomato soup, 1 cup of salsa, 1/2 cup water, 8 flour or corn tortillas, and 1 cup of shredded cheese. It's so simple and so good. First you just ground your beef, and then once it's brown, you add your, of course you drain out the grease. You add your soup, salsa, water, tortillas, and half the cheese. You heat it to a boiling, cook over low heat for 5 minutes. Make sure it's all nice and hot, and then you top with the rest of the cheese, and it's ready to eat. Simple as that. Just a little bit of water, salsa, tomato soup, the corn tortillas, cheese, and the hamburger. Hamburger's done. We're going to add in the tomato soup. Put in the salsa. You can use mild, medium, spicy, whatever you like. And I put in the water. Tortilla shells. There we go. I messed with a couple. And we're going to put in half the cheese. There we go. Now it's all stirred up, mixed in. And what we do next, we're going to heat it to a boil, and then we're going to cover it and cook it on low for another 5 minutes so the tortilla shells absorb some of the moisture. And once it's nice and hot, sprinkle the rest of the cheese on, and it's ready to eat. And I'll tell you, it is so simple to make and so good. Okay, just got it to a nice boil. It's already starting to thicken up pretty good. So I will go ahead and turn it down to simmer, put a lid on it, and let it cook for 5 minutes. There we go, 5 minutes. She's cooking good. Nice and thick, look at that. Looks liquidy on the top, but underneath it's nice and thickened up. So we'll go ahead and sprinkle the cheese on there and eat it. Alright y'all, thanks for watching. It's such a simple meal to make. We got it out of the Campbell's Cookbook. Beef and taco skillet. Like I said, it's just 1 pound ground beef that you brown, and then you add 1 can of tomato soup, 1 cup of paste or any salsa, 1/2 cup water, 8 corn tortillas sliced up into small pieces, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And mix them all together in half of the cheese, and once you cook it for 5 more minutes, bring to a boil, cook for 5 minutes. Then add the rest of the cheese over the top, and it's ready to eat. The final product. Yummy. And your kids will love it.